Any meat? Okay. Translate that in the video. Hope you like it. Comment and subscribe to the video. Let's go. Hey, okay. Glacier. Major. Hold up. Oh my god, you're so amazing. Baby. Yeah. Okay. Hold up. He doing this.
Someone call a medic?
Yep. Medic man. Yeah. Info. Let's get it. Let's go. Hey. Wait. Okay. Team Deathmatch on Glacier. I'm finna show you a maker. Hold up. Girl. Let me be your king. What? Hold up, girl. Let me show you what I can bring to you. Yeah. But like I'm saying, yeah, next week, man. First 10 people to text on Instagram, Cutts Plays on Instagram with a gift card. Please text me. I want to get back to the people, dog. No cap. Yeah, like, come subscribe, bro. Come back for more. Come back for more. More. I'm saying. Like, come subscribe, bro. Share this video to everywhere. Please, that should help me out a lot. Y'all like it coming like this, man? Come on, man. I can't, man. Come on. Subscribe to me. Please. Hey.
Stay close to me and you'll probably make it.
Can't nigga with a pistol. Alright, let's go. You ready? It's ready.
Eliminate the enemy to
Ready for you. Team Deathmatch. 65 kills to win? Oh yeah. What the fuck?
Get up, bro.
Thanks, man. Lessons? I'd be happy to help.
Yeah, I should probably with AR, bro. Oh, why did I, man? It'll be alright. It'll be okay. So, it's gonna be okay.
Here we go.
this, bro. Oh yeah. kills we got? 2? Damn. It don't even matter. I'm gonna come back in that motherfucker anyways. Man, of course you have to come out of nowhere, bro. That's how it is. That's on the game. That's when they. Come on now. Give me an assist. Oh my god, that's on me. That's on me. That shit ball wrong. I really gotta fix these settings though. Where it's to the point like. Boys here. I don't want to be kind of these niggas. No way.
Halfway to victory.
He's trying to come back. Man, that shit happened.
I've got you.
Tired of that bullshit. Tired of it. You gonna punish me? Okay, bet. That's a bet. You gonna punch me? Damn. Behind you. Side of you.
Get up, rogue.
Let me get up, alright. Kick these niggas' head real quick, like. Teammate, what are you doing? Hey, you're right there in front of you, just shoot.
Nearing victory.
Read the video, alright.
Hang on.
It's true. It's okay, guess what? We got a little dub piece.
One kill until victory.
Man,
Another contract.
let's go. Let's go. Yay, 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 yay. I ain't gonna lie. I came in 4th place though. That's all that matters. Baby, we got a little dub piece. Dub is over here. Meow, 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 meow. It's a the game. We finna get ready to play. Let's get it, let's go. Yeah, okay. Gotta love the piece. Yeah, okay. I might then come in 3rd place, but I came in 4th place. Yeah, okay. Wait, 4th place. That's what I said. Yeah. 4th place ain't that bad though. Good assist though. So hey. Wait. Hold on, let me show the date. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Hold on. Been play some Road Company. Man, I don't finna stop until they got dang me. But it's all good though. Okay. Want it? Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Better get me some tacos. Wait. Whoa. Wait. Hold on. Taco Sobrano. Wait. Hello. Baby girl. Hello. Baby girl, she got some jello. Whoa. Yeah. Jello. Hello. Baby girl, call my cello. Wait. Hey. Finna. Wait. Hold up. Put my glasses on. Wait. Hold up.
Deathmatch.
Meet me. What did he do? I do him, bro. You know what I'm saying?
I would have picked me too.
Got some glasses on. Yeah, glasses on. Do I look good? I look. Wait. Whoa. Let me chill out, birthday day and talk though. It's gaming time. Gaming mode time. Like I see this, bro, on YouTube, bro. People who I'm playing with, bro. Just know, bro. GG's. I love y'all, man. And like and comment to and subscribe. And that ink. Let me give some of that ink. Hey. Me. My name is Dallas. Road Company. Team Deathmatch. Let's go. Let's go.
Line them up, knock them down.
Barman. Let's go. Into zero. Let's go. Another ton of wood.
Eliminate an enemy to win.
Will do, ma'am. Will do. Trying to snipe, huh? You teaming with me. Teaming with me regardless, bro. You don't even matter. What the team doing? That's the question. They smack. They ass smack, ain't it? God damn. I swear, bro. Hey, bro, you win a game next minute, some way, somehow.
Let's go here.
I did not see him, bro. I did not see him. You go from here? Oh, he just probably got damn thing, Sit your ass down, bro. Oh, yeah. We can win this, bro. On me, we can. Just had to put in the work. How, bro? We just down 3 kills. Come on now. Any damn fish won't come in, that motherfucker. I'm telling you the truth. What the fuck? I'm not surrender. That's what I'm saying. Oh. I'm down with a fight.
Enemy halfway to victory.
God damn. Them niggas ain't playing that fucking sniper shit. I mean, at least I won the first game though, so you know, it don't even matter. Sit your ass down. I need a headshot increase. We can win this, bro. Just That smoke. You know what I say? Give him that smoke. Yeah, I gonna die. Dude. Why the fuck did he die?
Can't do that.
Enemy team is nearing victory.
One freaking tap, bro. One tap. That's game anyways, though. That nigga down instantly. That shit. Now let's DJs in chat. Here's that, dude.
One kill until victory. It's over. Everyone has that.
It ain't matter, bro. I won the first game, and I lost the first, and I lost the second game, bro. That's all that matters. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, bro. I'm out for more. I got the first game, lost the second game. It don't even matter. Guess what? I don't even know, bro.